OpenAI has officially unleashed GPT-5, and it's nothing short of a game changer. From mastering complex reasoning to handling text, images, audio, and even video in a single conversation, this model leaves every previous AI in the dust. Early tests show it's not just faster and more accurate, it's redefining what AI can do in real time. GPT-5 marks a massive leap in artificial intelligence, taking multimodal capability to a whole new level. It seamlessly processes language, visuals, audio, and video within the same interaction, enabling smoother and more human-like conversations. Unlike earlier versions, it doesn't just respond. It interprets context with far greater precision, adapting tone, style, and complexity based on the user's intent. One standout feature is its enhanced reasoning engine. GPT-5 can solve advanced problems, generate detailed plans, and even adapt strategies on the fly. Whether it's analyzing dense research papers, summarizing hours of footage, or crafting tailored business proposals, it operates at a speed and accuracy that leaves traditional AI tools far behind. Its training incorporates broader datasets, refined alignment techniques, and advanced safety layers to reduce hallucinations while maintaining creative depth. This blend of factual reliability and imaginative flexibility opens new possibilities for industries ranging from education and medicine to entertainment and engineering. Beyond its core upgrades, GPT-5 introduces advanced real-time integration with tools, databases, and APIs, allowing it to directly perform actions rather than simply suggest them. This means it can book appointments, generate interactive dashboards, or run simulations without needing constant user intervention. For professionals, this drastically shortens workflow cycles, turning what used to take hours into minutes. Its multimodal understanding isn't limited to static media. GPT-5 can interpret live streams, identify objects, transcribe dialogue, and even provide instant insights while content plays. This has enormous potential for journalism, law enforcement, sports analysis, and accessibility tools for individuals with disabilities. In education, it can adapt lessons on the spot, adjusting explanations or visual aids to suit a learner's pace and comprehension level. Another breakthrough is its collaborative ability. GPT-5 can function as a shared workspace where multiple users interact simultaneously, with the AI remembering each participant's preferences and responsibilities. It can manage team projects, track progress, and resolve bottlenecks autonomously. Security has also been taken more seriously, with encrypted local processing for sensitive queries and stricter safeguards against misinformation. This focus on responsible deployment makes it not only more powerful, but also more trustworthy in high-stakes applications. Combined with its speed, contextual awareness, and adaptability, GPT-5 isn't just another AI model. It's shaping up to be the all-in-one digital partner for the future. One of the most disruptive aspects of GPT-5 is how it redefines the role of AI across industries. In healthcare, it can analyze complex patient histories, cross-reference them with the latest research, and draft actionable treatment plans for doctors to review, all in seconds. In finance, it can process market trends, run predictive models, and suggest portfolio adjustments with unparalleled precision. Even in creative fields, it can brainstorm ad campaigns, write scripts, or compose music that aligns perfectly with brand identity and target audience preferences. Its conversational fluidity is another standout. GPT-5 maintains context across extremely long discussions, weaving together multiple threads without losing track of earlier points. This allows for deeper, more meaningful interactions, ideal for legal consultations, therapy sessions, or multi-day corporate planning. It also supports multilingual conversations in real time, seamlessly translating between dozens of languages without compromising tone or nuance. The adaptability of GPT-5 extends to hardware as well. It's optimized for both cloud-based performance and edge computing, meaning it can run smoothly on local devices for privacy-sensitive environments while still offering full power in connected systems. This hybrid capability opens the door for applications in military operations, disaster recovery, and remote research stations where connectivity is limited. Perhaps most importantly, GPT-5's ecosystem has been designed for integration. Developers can plug it into robotics, AR/VR systems, autonomous vehicles, or manufacturing lines, effectively giving physical machines a brain that can learn, reason, and respond in real time. This convergence of digital intelligence and physical capability is what positions GPT-5 as more than just software. It's a technological backbone that could quietly run entire sectors. By merging unmatched analytical depth with intuitive interaction, GPT-5 blurs the line between human decision-making and machine execution. In doing so, it's not just replacing old models, it's establishing a new benchmark for what AI can achieve when precision, adaptability, and trust are treated as equal priorities. What truly sets GPT-5 apart from every AI model before it is the scale of its ecosystem and the depth of its real-world deployment. Unlike previous generations, which were largely confined to chat interfaces or narrow use cases, GPT-5 is being embedded into mission-critical workflows across government, enterprise, research, and consumer markets. It's not a tool you use occasionally. It's infrastructure, silently powering systems you interact with every day. In the corporate sector, it's transforming how organizations operate. Imagine a supply chain that predicts disruptions weeks in advance, automatically reroutes shipments, renegotiates supplier contracts, and adjusts marketing campaigns without human intervention. This is no longer hypothetical. In cybersecurity, GPT-5 actively monitors global threat patterns, learns from every incident, and instantly deploys new defensive protocols before vulnerabilities can be exploited. In customer service, it's running 24/7 omnichannel support that not only answers questions, but also understands customer history, emotional tone, and purchase behavior to deliver personalized solutions that feel human. In education, GPT-5 is acting as an adaptive tutor, assessing a student's strengths and weaknesses in real time, then creating individualized lesson plans that evolve as the student progresses. In developing regions, it's enabling mobile-based learning in native languages, bridging educational gaps where trained teachers are scarce. Its ability to simplify complex concepts without losing accuracy is proving invaluable for lifelong learning in both academic and corporate training environments. The entertainment industry is undergoing its own revolution. Filmmakers are using GPT-5 to co-write scripts, generate shot lists, and even direct virtual actors in real-time pre-visualization. Game developers are designing worlds where NPCs, non-playable characters, carry on endless, context-aware conversations with players, no scripting required. Music labels are experimenting with AI-assisted composition that blends human artistry with machine precision, producing entirely new genres of sound. Perhaps the most profound impact is in scientific research. GPT-5 can process terabytes of experimental data, identify correlations invisible to human researchers, and suggest entirely new hypotheses to test. In pharmaceutical development, it's accelerating drug discovery timelines from years to months by predicting how molecules will interact with the human body before they're ever synthesized. Climate scientists are using it to model environmental patterns decades into the future, helping policymakers make informed decisions backed by unprecedented accuracy. Yet with this immense power comes equally significant responsibility. GPT-5's ability to autonomously generate persuasive narratives, simulate human personalities, and create hyper-realistic media raises ethical concerns about misinformation, identity misuse, and manipulation. Regulators are already drafting frameworks to ensure transparency in AI-driven decision-making, while tech leaders push for built-in safeguards that prevent harmful outputs. In many ways, GPT-5 is not just another step in AI's evolution. It's the first fully realized version of what AI was always promised to be: a universal problem solver, creative partner, and operational engine all in one. The real challenge ahead will be ensuring that this unprecedented intelligence serves humanity as a whole, rather than amplifying the divides between those who control it and those who depend on it. If that balance can be achieved, GPT-5 may be remembered not just as a product launch, but as the starting point of a new technological era, one where human potential is magnified, not replaced by the machines we've built. GPT-5 isn't just another AI upgrade. It's the moment technology stops being a tool and starts becoming a partner. The question now isn't what it can do, but how we'll choose to use it. The future is here, and it's thinking with us.